Shocking, but true. Over 178 million Americans are missing at least one tooth, and untreated gum disease is often the reason. Gum disease can sneak up on you, causing tooth loss and expensive dental treatments. My father, a dentist for over 30 years, has helped countless patients avoid this fate. He discovered a 30-second bedtime routine using warm water and household ingredients that are making a huge difference for his patients. I've been doing it myself, and after just weeks, my teeth feel stronger, and my gums are healthier. It's so easy and doesn't require any expensive products. Click to watch the video now before the dental industry tries to hide it. Protect your teeth before it's too late.